it is, but it ain't. What it is, what it ain't. DT Squad. I don't want to say my other channel name, but y'all, this is I already did this video before, so before y'all comment, y'all like, you already did this video, but I had to remake it because it was a lot of loud background noise. I don't know what it was, but I told the company, or the company asked me to redo the video. So this is a company called VitalSleep, which was the snoring mouthpiece. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it came, already had to open, but it came in this case. It actually came in this box right here, and then it was a nice little case like this with the company name, and it said reclaim a good night's sleep. So inside the case, it's a nice case, and it's like breathable too. It was the mouthpiece, and it came with instructions. I don't think I have the manual, but the only thing you do is it comes with this, and you have to mold it. As y'all can see, this has been molded. We had to use boiling hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you take it out and put it in cold water. And then I had Tamari insert it in his mouth to, so he can mold his print, his teeth print. And he did try to sleep in this, but he had complained that it hurt his mouth, which is, I'm pretty sure it's kind of common, but it's something that you have to really adjust to. And it also comes with a top. This is clean. I'll make sure I clean them. It comes with the top and bottom one, which he didn't. This is a small one, so maybe that one was too large. No, his mouth is big. But this is the small one. And here's the menu in this one, so I can actually tell you guys. And this actually tells you what causes snoring. Is it good? Is this VitalSleep good sleep for everyone? You should not use it if you have respiratory disorders such as asthma, joint you say something? Joint disorder, you have a jaw pain or clicking, loose teeth, you wear braces, you are less than 18 years old, and that's just to throw out there. And warning, using the device, getting started. That's like I was telling you guys, like materials to use for fitting, water pot, kitchen tongs, a mud, and a timer. And then fill the mud with cold water. Add water to the pot, which brings to a low boil. And determine the top tray of the mouthpiece by locating the up arrow at the back side, which is, I'll show you guys. You can't mix it. It's at the back of it, which is right there. And I'm just running through because y'all already seen this video. And then it's telling you how to take it out. Be careful because it's boiling water, so do not burn yourself, and do not put it right in your mouth afterwards. Put it in cold water for 30 seconds. And then on the side, it does come with a tool for you to adjust your mouthpiece. So if you want to make it wider or whatever, use your little tube. And both sets comes with their own personal tube, and which is located on the side, and you can close it more, whatever makes you more comfortable. And then it tells you how to clean as well, which I explained, but I don't know if y'all can hear me in the last video. But and that's it. So if you are tired of someone snoring, or you just not getting a good night rest of sleep, or anywhere, or family member, invest in VitalSleep. Reclaim a good night's sleep, because who wants to stay up all night listening to somebody snoring? I don't, because I'm constantly kicking Tamari like, not tonight, not tonight. But anyways, if y'all, I do have a discount code. I will list it down below. It would be down below, and everything, all the links will be in the description box like last time. So make sure you check them out. Don't forget to use my discount code again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.